Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I am back, and today we're installing this super cool Sony radio. It's one of the old school ones. It shows images on the screen. It's pretty cool. Into Project Phahuq. So we're back working on the MR2. We'll get this installed, and yeah, anyone who's new to the channel, since I've been gone a few weeks, we've had quite a lot of subscribers, so massive shout out, massive thank you to everyone who's subscribed. We're nearly at 3,000, so keep hitting the subscribe button and let's hit 3,000. Okay, so before we install the radio into Project Phahuq, I need to put all the speakers back into the car, so they're all here. So what happened was I just took them all out just to test them and make sure they're all still working. So we'll jump into a time lapse and we'll chuck all those speakers back into the car. Guys, I just want to mention quickly that the Mk2 Mr2 is now going to go by Project Phahuq after the number plate that came on the car when I first bought it, which was FHH277K. So if you see any videos titled Project Phahuq, you know it's a Mk2 Mr2 video. Okay, we're in the car now. Let's get the radio installed. So I've got an ISO adapter sort of thing. We'll use this and then we'll plug it all in and it should hopefully work. So I'm just plugging this into the radio now. If you look here, I've had to put this wire to the fuse box because the constant power doesn't work from the harness, and I've also got another ground. So I'll try it using the ground that's inbuilt. If it doesn't work, then I'll just wire this to the radio. So let's just get started. Get this plugged in. And now we have to get this. I'm just going to cut that connector off, I don't really like it. And I'll need to cut into this here. Okay, let's strip both back. You could just kind of wrap these together, but then that's just annoying when you want to change head unit. So I've got some of these wee connectors, male and female, so I'll just use these. Okay, so next we just need to plug our cables in for the audio out. I'm not using these out, so I'm just using these ones here. And the ISO connector came with these, all of these for the fronts here and for the rears here. Two, and I believe I have forgotten to connect one thing, the amplifier out. So this is it from the radio, this is the one in the car, so I'll just quickly connect them. I'll need to get rid of this spade connector here. Yeah, it doesn't look the best because I really need to get the stereo brackets and everything, but that's how we'll be in for today. Okay guys, as you can see, the head unit is set up, and let's just put some music on and I'll show you the different features. I don't actually know many of the features, but let's just play some music. And guys, only the left speakers are working right now because the wiring on the right side's a bit dodgy. That's super cool. You can see there's like an old car there. So I think it's like a rally car. If I press this button here, this is one of my favourite ones, the guy snowboarding. And I think that matches up with the music. That's super cool. You don't get radios like this anymore. Let's press image, see what happens. Yeah, you can just select through them. If anyone knows what car that is, drop in the comments. I think it's an old Civic. I think it's an old Civic. Okay, let's try these kind of presets here. This one here is like an equalizer. So you can say Explode mode, vocal, club. So it'll just kind of it'll just changing the sound slightly. On the equalizer, rock, or you can set custom. That's that one. What's this here? Don't know what that does, didn't really do anything. Up here, DSO. Let me just focus it. So that's kind of changing this display here. Just press that again. So that's DSO. Mode. Don't know what modes this has, but we can try it. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. And then up here is a disc preset, but we don't have a disc in right now, so that won't work. And if I press it, you can set the bass custom. So you can custom set the bass. Treble, balance, fader, subwoofer if you've got one. I think that's pretty much all it is, and you press this button and you can access your CDs, but there's no CD in this. So, and then back up and it'll turn back on. And then I think that's like the default screen, it just shows you the time. And to kind of get started, you just kind of go source. It does have radio as well, but I've not plugged the aerial in. And we'll turn it off. Okay guys, so that's the radio installed into the Mark II. Let me know in the comment section if you like that radio. I'll leave the number in case any of you guys want to buy the same one. You can pick them up for really cheap. I literally paid £8 for that. When they first came out in the early 2000s, they must have cost over 100, so I think it's quite good the price they're going for, and they're quite retro and vintage, and yeah, overall I think they're pretty cool. So I'll leave the model number for you guys. Anyway, the next steps with that car, a bit of brake work, and I'm just going to send it off for its MOT. Stay tuned on the channel, plenty of videos to come on this car, my Mark V GTI, on that one, and on the other project cars. So lots to come on the channel. If you've not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Let's hit 3,000, and thank you to everyone who's subscribed and everyone who supports the channel. And also, if you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, it does help. So let's try and hit 100 likes on this video, it really does help with small channels. Anyway, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you for watching, and peace.